Today, I'll be reviewing the Nuki Smart Lock, a well-known smart home security device that promises keyless entry, remote access, and seamless home automation. I'll walk you through the setup process, app functionality, security features, and real-world performance. Right from the unboxing, the Nuki Smart Lock gives off a premium feel. The build quality is solid, and the design is sleek, fitting well with most modern home aesthetics. However, the installation process might not be as straightforward as advertised. If you have a standard Euro-profile cylinder, the setup should be relatively easy. But if your lock type is different, you might need an adapter or even a new lock cylinder, which can be frustrating. Once installed, the Nuki Smart Lock pairs with its mobile app, which acts as the control center. The app is user-friendly, allowing you to lock and unlock your door remotely, grant access to guests, and even set up automatic unlocking when you approach your home. The auto unlock feature is convenient in theory, but can be inconsistent. Sometimes, it detects my phone and unlocks the door seamlessly, while other times, there's a noticeable delay, which can be annoying when you're carrying groceries or in a hurry. Another feature that stands out is the integration with other smart home systems. It works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, making it a great addition for those who already have a smart home setup. You can use voice commands to control the lock, which is a nice touch. However, some users might find the need for the Nuki bridge to enable remote access a downside since it's an additional cost. When it comes to security, the Nuki Smart Lock has encryption and secure access protocols in place, but the fact remains, it's a battery-powered device controlling your main entry points. The battery life is decent, lasting a few months, but if you don't keep an eye on it, you might find yourself locked out when it runs out. Additionally, the manual key option remains essential as a backup, just in case. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiftMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another potential concern is the noise. The Nuki Smart Lock is not the quietest when locking or unlocking, which could be a drawback for those looking for a discreet solution. Additionally, while the app is well designed, some users have reported connectivity issues, especially when trying to use the auto unlock feature or remote access.so. Is the Nuki Smart Lock worth it? If you're looking for a smart lock that integrates well with your existing smart home setup and allows for remote access, it's a strong contender. The features are useful, the design is modern, and the app is intuitive. However, if you have a non-standard lock, don't want to deal with occasional connectivity issues, or are concerned about reliability, you might want to explore other options. Overall, the Nuki Smart Lock offers a convenient, modern approach to home security, but it's not perfect. If you're comfortable with the occasional hiccups and are willing to invest in the full setup, it can be a great addition to your home. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews.